Hold on.
Okay guys, I'm back again guys. The video stopped earlier making up this amplifier repair. Yeah, the video ran out of storage for some strange reason, so I was like, yeah, I didn't understand what was going on, but I think I free up some space that can do the rest of this video now. Yes, so and the problem now guys, I told you when I installed as you can see, everything is in the chassis now, back in the chassis. So after replacing those 8 MOSFET, power supply MOSFET, I tell you, I pour the amplifier up and these here start to run over, start to get overheated. So it chipped my power supply. I have a little breaker on it, a breaker fuse that I use, yeah, to and go. I think the one I have is 5 amp or somewhere, 10 amp, somewhere there. I put on the main wire to the amplifier, I put it on the positive lead. So any amplifier I'm working on and it starts shorting out, yeah, it chip it. So yeah, that's what happened, and I noticed here something was wrong because the indicator light just come on forward, then it goes out, and I heard it chip, and I said, okay. I started to check around, but I didn't go too far. I checked the outputs and I said, nah, all the outputs are okay, but it was right here guys. You have 4 diodes here. Right, that's a good view. Yeah, 4 diodes, and they're like this here. So these two was shorting out because these two tie together, send voltage to the up here to these here, right here. So what else did I do? Yeah, there was a bad solder joints. One of these here, one of these little cap right here, capacitor here, those orange, no, yellow looking one here. Yeah, I'm talking saying orange. Yeah, it was shaking. I realized this amplifier board, the solder they use is like it's no good. It's not grabbing the part, doesn't have enough flux and stuff like that. I don't know where they get the solder to do this, so I have to run solder a lot of the joints, the main components like outputs and caps and stuff like that. I soldered them, and but what I didn't do, I didn't pour it up since I put it in the chassis, the tin, and I also replaced the indicator light here to a blue one instead of the green one. Yeah, because the green one you have to look really careful to see if it was on or so, So yeah, I put this one. This one is more brighter, and, you can see it from a distance when this light up can focus us, far. So I know it's on if it's on easily. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour it up and give it a test. Yeah. Oh, and what I didn't check if the lights are, so I'll know if those are on at the front. Alright, let me see here now. The thing says full, return everything down this amplifier before I give it a bench test. Alright, round screwdriver I'm using. Make sure everything is all the way down. Guys, my fan is on really. It's hot here. It's really hot in Florida. So yeah, my fan running in the background. So maybe you guys heard the fan in a lot of the videos. I hope it's not annoying anybody, and stuff like that. Alright, let's see now. Pour it on for the first time since I put it in the chassis. Should be good. Guys, you can see that blue light. I love them. Look at that. Alright, so let me see if those are on the front. Oh yeah, this like it shows the temperature and the voltage. It's a V for 4, and then you have C with the little dot. Yeah, it does do that for you. So it shows you both the temperature and the volts. So it says 31 degrees Celsius, I guess. Yeah, let me see if you guys can see it. Let me see. Nah, it's not focusing properly. Alright. Uh-oh. Going where I come out got loose. Alright guys. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's hard to see it though, but it does have that little show the voltage 13.6 volts. That's nice. Alright, let me give it a bench test, guys. Let's see before this phone starts to act up again. Alright, we get a speaker here. Alright guys, put the speaker into it. Let me bench this. Alright, let's test it on bridge. I'm done. Let's use it on bridge just to see if all is well. And that's a test right there. It's really good. So you can know we're getting audio. Alright guys, I'm playing a nice instrumental. And it's hot. I just effect now. Okay. Second. Nah. Copyright will get me on that. Jesus. I hope not. That's about it for this amplifier. This is the bench test. Yeah, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time bench testing this one. I really have other stuff to do. So guys, that's it for now on this one. I don't know why this is not showing that. It's reflecting instead of showing the correct for this thing, guys. So that's it. C&C Electronics out with this one. Everything was okay with this repair. So yes guys, that is all for now, and see you guys on the next repair. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys, you know, supporting my channel. And please guys, as I said, ask me any question you want, and I'll answer it best as I can when I can, because I'm really busy guys. So see you in the next repair guys, and thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Alright, enough respect. C&C Electronics out today.